Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we are going to see how to create TestNG Test Suite and how to run it inside the IntelliJ IDEA. So first we will understand the agenda, what we are going to perform here. So first we will understand what is the TestNG suites, and then we will see how to create a TestNG suite and how to run it inside the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, let's understand the first point. So when you talk about the TestNG Test Suite, this is the collection of the tests that are designed to test a specific functionality of or a feature of an application. Test suite can be created with the grouping of the multiple test cases, or you can group the multiple test suites of similar type and then you can create the test suite. So with the example of this image, you can clearly understand about the test suite. So the first type of test suite is the collection of the similar kind of test cases, and the second type of test suite is the collection of different type of test suites. Okay, so these two things are present when we create the test suites. So we will understand both things one by one. Let's begin. Now, we will see how to create it. So what is the concept behind? Okay, so when you are going to implement, then what you will create? So first we have to understand this thing. So TestNG does not allow to defining the test suites inside the test code or in any main testing source code. So what we have to do? Then we have a provision to create a test suite with the help of one XML file. And additionally, we will create this file and then we will add inside our project. And this file contains the classes or packages that contains the test cases or the test parameters. Basically, this is an XML file. So I will explain you here with the practical how to create it and how you can configure it to run the test cases. So these two things are mentioned here. Okay, let's move to the IntelliJ IDEA, and you can see I have one of the project ready, which I have used in the first tutorial of the TestNG. If you have not seen that tutorial, so I would suggest you to please watch that tutorial. The link is given in the description. Let's continue from here. So this way we have a TestNG project ready here, and we have our one class calculator which has two methods. First one for append two strings and the second one is multiplying two numbers. Okay, on this we have created one test class. See this. So this is our test class. Now we will create the test suite. So basically we are going to create a one XML file. Go to the project, right click, new, and then choose the file and give the name like this, testing.xml. And this XML file is ready and opened here in this editor. You can see this file present at the root level. Now we have to write some code here. So I have noted that code in the notepad and I will copy and come back here and I have just pasted. See this. The XML nodes are very simple. First we have the tagged suite. Here we need to give the name of the suite. So you can give the relevant name, depend on the testing type or whatever you want. You can simply give the name. Suite 1. Okay, now there is a nested tag test. So here I'm starting from the test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So this way I will give the name here. And then we have a classes tag and then we are giving the class name. So in our project we have our test class ready with the name calculator test. So we have fully classified class name org.example.calculatorTest. So this way you can give. If you have the multiple classes and you want to create the suite for that, Basically, the purpose of the suite is if you have the multiple test classes and you want to execute all those in one go, because you are grouping all those classes because of the similar kind of test requirement they hold. Okay, so this way you can add multiple test nodes here, test 1, test 2, test 3, and so on. When you are done, just save this file. Now, the next step, we will see how to enable our project to run this test suite. So go to the run on the top menu, come here, edit configuration. In front of you, you will have this edit configuration. Click on this plus button, and then you have to go here, click TestNG. When you do it, you have the blank window opened here, which is unnamed. You can give a relevant name like my test suite, my test suite 1, and any relevant name of your choice. Come to this drop down, select suite. This is the important thing. Then you will see a message suite. So where is your suite? That means we need to give the XML file path here. Okay, so this will read the information which we have set up inside the testing.xml. And again, we have the output directory blank. That means you want to generate a report. So you have to give the folder for the report output. We have already one folder present here. If you don't give anything, this will automatically create one folder for you. Okay, leave the JDK settings as it is. Don't change anything. Click on the apply button, click OK. And then you will have my test suite's run configuration ready on the top. Simply click on this button. Once you click it, the execution will start. And you will see some information here down here. See this, execution successful. 2 methods has been executed and all are passed. We are getting the green tick mark. Also, we have this information like suite 1. Under this suite 1, we have 2 test cases execution, 2 passes, failure 0. And then we will check the report for that. So I will refresh this folder once. Okay, report loaded. Do the right click, come here, open in, and then come to the browser, select the browser of your choice to open. So one more important thing, in place of the classes tag, we can use the packages as well. Suppose you have a 50 classes, test classes there, and you want to execute all those in one go, you can simply specify the package. Means the parent is example folder, then we will give the path up to the example, and then we will remove the classes. Now the same behavior we can achieve by applying the packages tag here. This one more option is available to run. So you will get the same results. But this time you are fulfilling your requirement to run all the classes without giving the name of all those classes. And you don't want to mess up your testing.xml file. So you can simply use the packages tag. So guys, this is the way you can create the test suite and you can enable the configuration to run the test suite inside the IntelliJ IDEA. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to support. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.